Hi mga ka-Exaures! It's day 3 ng aming Melbourne trip and it's time for the legendary Great Ocean Road. Let's go! First stop namin, Torquay Beach. Dito nagsisimula ang Great Ocean Road at kilala bilang surf capital ng Australia. Perfecto para makapag-stretch bago magpatuloy sa long drive. Next, we drove through the Lorne Queenscliff Coastal Reserve area. Yes, it's around Torquay. We stopped here for 15 minutes kasi may mini playground and may swing right beside the sea. Sobrang scenic ng place na to. Marami ditong lookout spots at picnic areas. Our third stop, the Great Ocean Road sign, or they call it Memorial Arc. It was built as a tribute to World War I soldiers who constructed the road. Classic photo spot kaya huwag kalimutan mag-stop dito. Third stop is Teddy's Lookout in Lorne. 5 to 10 minutes walk lang to from the car park, pero yung view, grabe. Cliffs, forest, at ocean in one shot. Fourth stop is Wye River. Bigla ang stop lang kami dito kasi nga ang ganda ng view and meron siyang konting steps pababa papunta sa dagat wherein pwede kang magtampisaw or maglakad sa buhangin. Fifth stop, Apollo Bay. Dito kami nag-lunch and may dala kaming baon so hindi na namin kailangang bumili and gumastos. Anyway, if wala kayong baon, there are a lot of restaurants here. Meron din mga toilets, petrol stations, and playgrounds available. Main highlight ng Great Ocean Road, ang 12 Apostles. Dati, may 12 limestone rock formations dito. Pero ngayon, 7 na lang ang natira dahil unti-unting bumabagsak yung iba dahil sa natural erosion. Kahit ganon, sobrang breathtaking pa rin ang view. Tip, bring your jacket kasi mahangin dito. Nagplan kaming pumunta sa Gibson Steps, kaya lang close siya that day. Pero okay lang, the cliff view from above is still stunning. 8th stop, Loch Ard Gorge. Dito nangyari ang sikat na shipwreck story ng Loch Ard noong 1878, kung saan 2 survivor lang ang nakaligtas. Last stop namin, The Grotto. Isa ito sa mga hidden gems ng Port Campbell National Park. Medyo may pila dito for photos pero worth it kasi ang ganda ng framing, parang postcard shot talaga. And that's it! The Great Ocean Road is truly amazing.